we are interested in we are interested in finding out the molecular geometry of CCl4, which is carbon tetrachloride. In order to do so, we must first find out the hybridization of carbon tetrachloride. Now, I'm going to write CCl4. We need to for finding out or calculating hybridization, we need to find out the valence electron of each of the atom present in this molecule. So, I'm going to write the electronic configuration of carbon. It is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2. So, the number of valence electrons is 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. And for chlorine, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Here the valence shell is the third shell. In carbon it was the second shell. Hence I calculated the number of electrons which were present in the second shell. In chlorine it is the third shell. So 2 plus 5 is 7 electrons. Okay. So 4 for carbon plus 7 for chlorine. But since there are 4 atoms of chlorine, I am going to multiply the valence electron of one chlorine into 4. So 4 plus 28 gives us 32. Now we are going to multiply this 32 by 8, which gives us 4, which corresponds to sp3 hybridization, which also means that the 3D orientation of CCl4 will be tetragonal in nature. Tetragonal in nature. Now let's draw the structure of CCl4. It will be a central atom, first chlorine, having 3 bonds with chlorine, and another 4th bond on top of carbon. Since the hybridization came out as sp3, which also corresponded to tetragonal structure, so this is the tetragonal structure. Okay, and the angles between the bonds for an tetragonal 3D orientation is approximately 109 degrees. Okay, between each bond, 109 degrees, 109 degrees. Similarly here also 109 degrees. Now to get a better grasp of how what is the what tetragonal actually looks like, I'm going to show you with the help of my pens. Okay. So this is the tetragonal structure. Okay. At the junction of all the 4 pens, your carbon resides there. Okay. On the tip of each pen or pencil is chlorine. Okay. On the tip of each pen. Here also is the 4th chlorine. Here also is a chlorine, and chlorine. And the angles between the bonds, Cl, C, Cl bond, Cl, C, Cl bond, Cl, C, Cl bond is 109 degrees. Okay. All the 4 bonds are of 109 degrees. See, from whichever angle you look, it is going to look the same. Okay. It is going to look the same. So this is the tetragonal structure. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.